Did I leave the garage door open? With the MyQ connected garage door opener, you can check it, close it, never wonder again. Download MyQ, the smartphone app, and connect it to your garage door opener to monitor, open and close it, and so much more. Anytime, from anywhere. Your approximate wait time is 30 seconds. Thank you for holding while we connect you.
Thank you for calling Chamberlain. My name is Chase. I can help you.
Hey, what's going on? My name's Scott. Having some trouble with my garage door opener system. It's acting a little different today, so I'm kind of pissed about it. Figured I'd call you guys up, let you know what's going on, and see if you're pissed.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. Let's see here.
I don't know. I can't figure it out. I'm so pissed, man.
We'll get it taken care of. Just having a little bit of trouble with my system here. What's going on?
So your system's all messed up too?
Yeah, it's giving me a little bit of trouble.
Cool. So I called to get help, and now you can't even. Now you're all locked out. See? It's this company. I'm pissed, man. I don't know why you're laughing.
All right, you said this was an issue with
You're
trying to program a remote?
Issues with your computer. Stupid. Does it work now?
Yeah, we're good.
Look, I'm really pissed. Either you guys get your computers booted up correctly before I call, or we're going to really have some big problems. I'm going to call back in about 5 minutes.
No, I'm ready.
And,
I can help you out with whatever you're trying to fix up.
Yeah, but you're all pissed now. You're all pissed.
I'm not, no, I want to help you out.
I want you to cool off. I want you to reboot your system. And then
good.
We're going to shut it down. And then I'll call back, all right?
All righty.
All right, man. He was pissed.
Please hold for the next available representative.
Hello? My name is Scott. Hello?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you're there. Hi, I've been on hold.
Hi, thank you for calling Chamberlain Tech Support. My name is Anthony. May I have your first and last name?
My name's Scott. My last name's McPissed. My brother just called up there. He got really pissed. I guess something got really messed up with his garage door. And then he was trying to get some tech support, and the guy that was helping him out, I guess the guy's computer was all messed up, and he connected to my brother's garage door like via satellite, and I guess it messed up, it like put a virus in his garage door, and now it's worse. And he's really pissed. Like he can't even call right now because he's so pissed about it. I don't know. I thought we had virus protection on that, but you tell me. I mean, everybody's pissed. I'm just trying to help out. I hope you are too.
No, that's just really odd. Honestly, haven't heard of that ever happening before. By chance, do you know the MyQ serial number for this unit? Any kind of?
I'm sorry?
By chance, do you have any kind of information for this unit, like model, MyQ serial number, something like that?
No, I'm not even near it. He called me. He's really pissed. He's just screaming and yelling. His garage door is all messed up. I guess it's just doing like really weird stuff too. It's like opening in different ways, which I don't even know how that works. But yeah, so he's pissed. Are you there?